Hey, what's going on, y'all? Good morning to you. Okay, so I saw in the app the other day that Lyft added a new feature called a wait time feature. Now, I haven't seen it on Android yet, but it is on Apple devices. So I just wanted to come bring you a quick video on how it works. So this is a screen recording of my iPhone. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to the bottom here, press those two slides. And if you look down, you'll see wait times. Once you click on that, it'll bring up this map, and you can see there are red, yellow, and green clocks. The red clocks are your longest wait time. Your yellow clocks are your medium wait time. As you can see, 6 to 8 minute wait. And your green clocks are where, based on a certain amount of last rides, here based on last 20 rides, 2 to 5 minute wait for a ride. So if you're in an area and you have an Apple phone, you'll be able to see where the shortest wait times are. I'm sure this is only for the basic platforms, but once you get there, just click on it and be able to get a ride quicker. Now, like I say, I haven't seen this yet on any Android devices. You know I carry both. But if you're an Apple user, go ahead and give it a shot. Leave a comment down below if it's accurate or not. And yeah, peace out.